Let's break down something every owner-operator needs to know. First things first, what exactly is an owner-operator? Simply put, it's a truck driver who owns and operates their truck. You're your own boss, managing everything from routes to maintenance and even paperwork. It's a big step up from being a company driver, but with the right preparation, it can be incredibly rewarding. So how do you get started? The journey begins with understanding your responsibilities. As an owner-operator, you'll handle not just driving, but also business management. This includes maintaining your truck, handling taxes, and keeping up with industry regulations. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. One crucial element is obtaining the proper licenses and permits. This is where FMCSA Registration.com comes in handy. We are the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, helping with FMCSA registration compliance. It's important to get your DOT number and other necessary permits sorted out, as they're essential for operating legally. Next, let's talk about your truck. Deciding whether to buy or lease your truck is a significant decision. Buying gives you full ownership, but leasing can be easier on your finances initially. Consider your budget and long-term goals before making a decision. Financial management is another key component. You'll need to budget for fuel, maintenance, insurance, and unexpected expenses. Setting aside funds for these costs can help prevent any financial bumps in the road. Now, let's discuss finding loads. Building relationships with shippers and brokers is crucial. Networking and signing up on freight load boards can help you keep your truck loaded and on the move. Remember, efficiency is key to maximizing your earnings. The trucking industry is heavily regulated, and staying compliant is non-negotiable. Regular inspections, accurate record keeping, and staying updated on regulations are essential. This is another area where FMCSA Registration.com can support you, ensuring you're always on the right side of the law. Finally, being an owner-operator requires a strong work ethic and a commitment to continuous learning. The industry is always changing, and staying informed about trends and new regulations will keep your business thriving. This video is brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, your go-to source for transportation industry compliance. We assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States. Visit FMCSA Registration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 to learn more about how they can help you navigate the complexities of the industry. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Safe travels, and see you on the road!